What's up, Crypto Universe? It's me, Eugene, and you're watching me on Rock the Block Live. Well, it seems that the long crypto winter is about to come to an end and the weather is changing. The crypto community is divided into two camps, one believing that this is the start to a bullish run, and the other, of course, the pessimists always think that this is going to be a bull trap. Some of the contributing reasons why the market is improving right now could be because big names like Fidelity is coming onto the scene, AT&T, big telco network is accepting cryptocurrency as payment. But what must be the most interesting news in the month of June in 2019 is that Facebook, the social giant platform that everyone is on board, is launching its own crypto coin called Global Coin. And you know, Facebook owns WhatsApp, Instagram, and there are billions of users on the platform using that every day. Global Coin might be the next big thing. And when cryptocurrency news makes the mainstream headlines, that's when everyone starts getting interested again. And when people are getting interested, they always ask this question: how do I get started on cryptocurrency? How do I buy my first Bitcoin? Well, traditionally, what I would tell you is you need to have your own crypto wallet. And then you pick an exchange that you like that allows you to use your fiat to buy into Bitcoin. And then you take your Bitcoin, you transfer to any other exchanges, you trade on the market, you monitor your own trades, you look at the charts. And if the exchange get hacked, good luck to you. If you get hacked, your wallet get hacked, stolen, your handphone gets stolen, or you get jacked, good luck to you. If you forget your password, you forgot your key, that's it. You lose your entire pool of Bitcoin. And that is dangerous to most people and it's worrying because the responsibility of handling your own Bitcoin lies with you. And also the UX and UI to actually get started to be a crypto player can get a little bit clunky. So for most people who are not interested in, frankly, owning your own Bitcoin, but you're interested in making money off the Bitcoin trade, you're always looking for other platforms that allow you to make money without all the hassle and complexity. And that's what this video is about. I'm talking about the eToro platform. It's a platform that I like because it's such sleek UI. Most of you who have heard of eToro know that they have a whole range of other products. But what you might not know is that they now also have cryptocurrency products. So you can buy like the top 15 cryptocurrency coins using your fiat. And the best part about it is you don't have to be a trader to make money off trades. In my previous video, you can check out the link up there or in the description below. I talk about how you can actually copy the trades of other people. So when you see people on the eToro platform dabbling in cryptocurrency and you think this guy is making lots of money, you can look at his portfolio and his chart, you can then copy his trade. And to me, that is the most unique experience that eToro provides to people like me and probably you guys who don't have very sound trading experience, but you still want to make money off trades. This video is for you. What you need to do to get started on buying Bitcoin on eToro is, of course, first to have an eToro account. Next, what you want to do is go to this menu button on the left side of the screen that says Trade Markets. On the top bar, you can see there's a menu button that says Crypto. Click on that, and you can see 15 of the coins, or the top coins, are listed right here. You have your Bitcoin, Ethereum, BCH, Ripple, Dash, LTC, Neo, TRX, Zcash, and Binance Coin. So I'm quite impressed with their list. So buying your first Bitcoin on eToro crypto platform is quite simple. Just click on the coin that you want to buy. In this case, I'm going to buy Bitcoin. Okay, brings you to a screen that says Bitcoin on top. What is the current market price? Describes what Bitcoin is, and below you have a news feed that other users are posting and you can read through. If you have any questions, you can just type your comment there and helpful people will reply you. So let's just take a look at some of the comments that they have on this site. BTC, I've learned the hard way and made some right choices. I've also learned that you can interpret the same chart with 10 different scenarios depending on my objective mode at the time. What I've learned for sure is in crypto, it's totally unregulated and totally manipulated by a few billionaires. So my point is to set yourself targets either way, take your profit, don't get greedy, don't panic trade, don't criticize other traders. No one's perfect. Use charts as a tool if it helps, My prediction, if it goes above 8,000 soon, then I'm expecting a big pump into 10,000 next 3 weeks. Now, I gotta say that Martin, Dodge, Watts have really given good advice here. Really, there is no one way, in my opinion, to read the charts. It's really depending on how you feel. It's very personal to every individual. But the point is, take your winnings when you can. And for some of you who are hodlers, you may want to just put your money in and not look at it for the next few years. It's really up to you. There's so many ways of doing this. Again, it's not a financial advice. Read what others have to say and get a sense of what speaks to you. What is your trading style? And I think really the beauty of the eToro platform is it allows you to read your eToro newsfeed like a Facebook newsfeed and get all the information in one place. All the opinions from the various experts or people with just loud opinions giving their 2 cents worth, and you make your own decision. On the top part here, you'll notice there is stats and chart as well. Let's take a look at stats. Okay, so you have your 1-day view, your 1-week view, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over the last 1 year. Whoa, check out, this was where it was, and then whoosh, and goes back up again. Let's check out the 3 years view. This is where the hype was at when Bitcoin was $19,000. Everyone was going crazy. Experts were saying it's going to hit 50K. Everyone came in, pandemonium. And then Bitcoin crashed all the way down to 3,500. I think it was even lesser at one point. Doesn't matter. But it's going back up right now. Although people are getting bullish about that, it is still a far cry from its glory days at $19,000. This is the lifetime of Bitcoin, right? So this is the Bitcoin chart, which is a very important aspect for traders who's looking to do their technical analysis. But for newbies who are not sure about what all this means, the best thing you could do is to copy other people's trade. This can be found in copy portfolios, which I will talk about this later part in this video. Now, when you're ready, you look at the market, you feel good about that, click on trade. In this menu, you will see sell and buy. Obviously, you either buy Bitcoin or you sell Bitcoin. So let's go to buy. This is the default option. At this price, can I go in with 4,900? Well, let's do that. I'm going to open trade. And there I go. I buy BTC position at this amount. When you click on the trade button, you're not exactly buying your own Bitcoin. You're not holding on to a digital version of the Bitcoin in your own wallet. This is actually a CFD, a contract for difference version of the Bitcoin that you are trading on. If you don't want to buy at the current market price, you can also add a market order right here. Right, so okay, what's my rate on a buy? I think it's going to drop even more. Well, let's go with, maybe it's going to hit $3,000 again. Who knows, right? So I put in a buy order at that amount. Set order. There we go. So what this means is if BTC price actually drops to $3,000, automatically my buy order will kick in and I'll buy my Bitcoin at $3,000, the price that I have set. And the amount here is the amount of money that you want to invest in buying your BTC. It doesn't have to be $4,900. It can also be $1,000. I just bought another $1,000 worth of BTC at this current market price. Another interesting feature is that you can trade crypto with a large number of both currency and crypto pairs. You can use crypto crosses or currency crosses. So these other options are for traders who are more savvy about exchange rates, and you tend to plan the market looking at currency prices, the fluctuation, and choosing the best option to buy your cryptocurrency. We all know how volatile the crypto market can be, but since eToro offers so many different products, you can use other financial instruments to hedge against your risk. Now, if you want to trade in crypto, but you really have zero experience trading on cryptocurrency or trading for that matter, you can really use the eToro copy trading function. And that is the best part about eToro to me. I love that function because I don't have to have trading knowledge, I can just copy other people's trade. And I've covered this extensively in episode 3. Again, click on the link below to get to that particular video. eToro also has another product called Copy Portfolio, which are thematic portfolios based on products, markets, or people. Right? You can see there's like a basket here for crypto takeover, a basket for renewable energy, a basket for cybersecurity. So this is a portfolio based on these themes that if you are really looking for a set menu lunch, for example, so clicking on it gives you the information about what this portfolio means, and then you can make your decision from there. Again, everything here is so sleek. Every information is displayed neatly. The UX and UI really for eToro is one of the best I've ever seen. And for me, I'm really huge on the user experience. If something is too clunky or takes too long to learn, it turns me off and I really can't be bothered. Even if I can make money of it, I'm not really interested to go through that learning curve. But for this, clearly, you can just pick it up in maybe even 10 minutes. The other interesting thing about eToro, if you're not really interested in going out to Google and doing your own research, is that eToro have their own blog that you can just go in, check it out, and see what experts on the eToro platform are talking. The feed function on eToro as well have other people and experts and traders just giving your own opinions. eToro has pretty much a one-stop shop for everything that you need. It's pretty easy to use, isn't it? Just to get started, have your account, click on trade, pick your crypto, choose your point, whether you want to buy now, you put it on the order, set your limit, set your pricing. It's very simple to start. If you're not a good trader, you can still make money off trades, and that is the copy trade function. Once again, if you want to find out more about the copy trade function, my personal favorite, go and check out my episode 3 on this eToro series. That's all the time I have for you today. I hope this video has been very informative and useful for you guys, and hopefully for newbies who are wondering about how to get in onto the Bitcoin bubble and madness and make money off the trade, this video would be useful for you. Give me a thumbs up, share this video with all your friends. Don't let anyone get left behind. My name is Eugene signing out. Before I go, I just want to wish everybody out there good luck in your trades, and hopefully you guys make a lot of money.